Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the unboxing and initial impressions about the Nothing Earphones 2. So this is a Nothing Ear 2 which I got right now, and let's do the quick unboxing and initial impressions about this Nothing Earphones 2. So right now in the Flipkart it's available for about 9,999, as you can see friends. This is the price, so which is available at this moment regarding the Nothing Earphone 2. And right now let's do the quick unboxing of this Nothing Earphone. So this is a quick unboxing of the Nothing Earphones 2. And it's a quick look at the Nothing Earphones 2 model. This is a second generation Earphones 2. So this is a Nothing Earphones 2 itself, as you can see friends right now. And let me show you what are the other things you can get in this box as well in this Nothing Earphones 2. So this is a Type-C cable which you got right now, Type-C to Type-C cable, as you can see here. And next is the ear caps, as you can see here. So you do have the different size, so small, medium and the large, as you can see. So finally friends, I'm going to do the pairing setup process of the Nothing Earphones 2 in this Nothing Phone 1. So this is a Nothing Phone 1 which I got right now, and this is a Nothing Earphone 2 which I do right now. And let me do the quick pairing setup with this Nothing phone. So how is the pairing process going to be there? So let me open the case lid. So as soon as I open the case lid, I should be able to get a notification. But if you still didn't get any kind of notification, so try to go to the settings option and try to go to the connected device. So there you will be able to find the option which says the Earphones 2 should be displaying over there. So as you can see friends, so try to press the button for maybe for 2 seconds. You should be able to see if you still did not see any kind of Earphones 2 indication on the top. So once you click on that, the setup process will begin using with this Nothing Earphones 2. Right now as you can see when the setup is done, and let me click on the setup process. And once you click on the setup process, let me update this application, which is a Nothing X application. So once I update the application, I will be able to show you so how is the initial setup and everything process gonna be there using with this Nothing Earphones 2. So right now as you can see friends, the phone has been detected successfully with this Nothing Earphones 2. And now let me click on the setup this device, and now setup process should be able to begin. And you'll get the certain instructions like how to use these touchscreen gestures in this Nothing Earphones 2. So single pinch for play and pause and hang up the calls, and double pinch for the skip forward and decline calls, and triple for the back changing the song as well, and pinch and hold for the noise cancellation. And right now you should be able to see the exact case charging percentage and left and right percentage and everything. And there's also equalizer option which is available at this moment, where you can choose the equalizer. And noise cancellation, as you can see, noise cancellation is also available. If you want, you can enable that noise cancellation. So all this setup process which is done at this moment, and now you should be able to use the Nothing Earphones 2 pretty good. So meanwhile, signing off friends, the quick setting process of this Nothing Earphones 2, and instead of more updates, and I'll definitely do the Battlegrounds mobile game and PUBG mobile game regarding the latency test as well. So stay tuned for more updates on this particular topic. Until then, signing off, and thank you for watching, and bye.